Hey guys, I am Shahjul Mullah. Hope you are good. I am fine in lockdown. I am coming in front of you with another new video. How to create a WhatsApp account on your smartphone with your mobile number. Let's get today's video. First, connect the internet on your device. Then open the Play Store app and go into search box and type here WhatsApp WhatsApp, then search. Download the application. I am already downloaded. Then click open. Wait few seconds. Tap agree and continue button. Then enter your 10-digit mobile number and click the next button and click the OK. If your mobile number is right, okay. Enter 6-digit code. Enter continue. Allow. And type here your name. I am typing my channel name WH World YouTube. Then tap the camera button and go into gallery and select your picture. Just crop it. Next, tap done button. Tap next button. Wait a few seconds. Your account is created. Tap start a chat, your contact number, and select any contact number. For example, and type their message hi and send. Okay, process complete. If the video helps you, you can like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.